Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. X Discovery and Promotions. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to talk about X trends and hashtags and how you can use them to promote your brand on X. I'll explain how X trends work, what hashtags are, and how you can create and use them to boost your campaigns. Whether you're new to hashtags or looking to level up your marketing strategy, this video will give you the tools you need. Let's get started. Trends are available on the X for iOS app, the X for Android app, and X.com. On X's mobile apps, you can find trends listed under the Trends section of the Explore tab. When signed in to X.com on a desktop or laptop computer, trends are listed in many places, including the home timeline, notifications, search results, and profile pages. Trends are determined by an algorithm and by default are tailored for you based on who you follow, your interests, and your location. This algorithm identifies topics that are popular now, rather than topics that have been popular for a while or on a daily basis, to help you discover the hottest emerging topics of discussion on X. You can choose to see trends that are not tailored for you by selecting a specific trends location on X.com, iOS, or Android. Location trends identify popular topics among people in a specific geographic location. The number of posts that are related to the trends is just one of the factors the algorithm looks at when ranking and determining trends. Algorithmically, trends and hashtags are grouped together if they are related to the same topic. For instance, hashtag Monday Motivation and hashtag Motivation Monday may both be represented by hashtag Monday Motivation. What does the hashtag sign mean? You may notice that some trends have hashtag sign before the word or phrase. This is called a hashtag and is included specifically in posts to mark them as relating to a topic so that people can follow the conversation in search. A hashtag written with a hashtag symbol is used to index keywords or topics on X. This function was created on X and allows people to easily follow topics they are interested in. Using hashtags to categorize posts by keyword. People use the hashtag symbol before a relevant keyword or phrase in their post to categorize those posts and help them show more easily in X search. Clicking or tapping on a hashtag word in any message shows you other posts that include that hashtag. Hashtags can be included anywhere in a post. Hashtag words that become very popular are often trending topics. Tips for using hashtags. You cannot add spaces or punctuation in a hashtag or it will not work properly. If you post with a hashtag on a public account, anyone who does a search for that hashtag may find your post. We recommend using no more than 2 hashtags per post as best practice, but you may use as many hashtags in a post as you like. Type a hashtag keyword in the search bar to discover content and accounts based on your interests. When composing a tweet, you can add hashtags directly within your text to ensure it reaches a broader audience. To do this, simply type the hashtag symbol followed by the keyword or phrase that relates to your content, such as hashtag small business or hashtag fitness tips. Including hashtags natively in your post helps categorize your tweet, making it discoverable by anyone searching for or following that specific hashtag. It's important to choose hashtags that are not only popular, but also relevant to your audience, as this will increase the likelihood of engagement and visibility. For example, if you share a tweet about optimizing meta descriptions for better SEO, using hashtags like hashtag meta descriptions, hashtag SEO tips, and hashtag on-page SEO can direct your content to audiences actively seeking advice on search engine optimization techniques. How to promote brand campaigns using X hashtags. To effectively promote brand campaigns using X hashtags, start by creating a unique, memorable, and relevant hashtags that aligns with your campaign's theme. Ensure it's short, easy to spell, and resonates with your target audience. Pair your branded hashtag with trending ones to gain additional visibility and connect with ongoing conversations. Promote the hashtag across multiple platforms, including social media, email newsletters, and even offline channels like print ads or event signage. You can also use X ads to highlight your hashtag in promoted posts or trending topics, ensuring it reaches a broader audience. Encourage user-generated content by running contests, challenges, or polls where participants must use your hashtag to enter. Engaging with your audience is critical for success. Host spaces to spark discussions around your campaign and create buzz. Partner with influencers in your niche to amplify the hashtag's reach through authentic, engaging content. Actively monitor and participate in conversations using your hashtag by reposting, replying, or thanking users, which helps build a community. Use analytics tools like X Analytics or third-party platforms to track the performance of your hashtag, measuring key metrics such as reach, impressions, and engagement. These insights will help you assess the campaign's impact and fine-tune your strategy for future initiatives. And that's a wrap on X trends and hashtags. I hope you have a better understanding of how to use them for promoting your brand. Introducing Engagey. Grow from invisible to unstoppable. Explode your social media reach and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code. Breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest. Dominate any niche on the social media with superior AI-driven engagement. This is what consistent engagement got us on X and LinkedIn. Again, designed for use on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and it's compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, Tumblr. One-click engagement on any social website. Power your growth with Engagey. Get increased visibility for your content. Engagey helps you to tap into the algo. The algorithm favors those who engage. Engagey builds your subscriber base, build a community that helps you thrive. Engagey creates a powerful network. Create authentic engagement with just one click. Promote your products and services organically. Auto-create custom and unique replies that are tailored to the post. Engage in any language. Multi-AI maximize originality and uniqueness. Engagey keeps your account safe. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Engagey now. Just go to getengagey.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.